It's important to check your transmission fluid regularly. I recommend every week or bi-weekly as a part of routine maintenance of your vehicle. It'll also help catch leaks before they become a major issue. The first thing you want to do is pop open the hood and locate the dipstick. If you notice on your vehicle you can't find the dipstick, that might mean that your vehicle is the type of vehicle where it doesn't have a transmission dipstick, or it's hidden and you need to remove some stuff in order to access it. Those types of vehicles will have to be brought into the shop in order for us to check it, because we'll either have to A, lift the vehicle, or B, remove some air intakes or battery trays to actually get at where we need to check the fluid. Now on this particular vehicle, this is a 2009 Chevy Silverado. You'll find the transmission dipstick located close to the firewall. You can differentiate between the engine dipstick and the transmission dipstick because oftentimes your engine dipstick will be either yellow or orange in color, depending on the manufacturer of the vehicle. And on some vehicles, you'll also notice that there's an actual symbol on the dipstick that says that it is a transmission fluid. Now, what you want to do before checking the fluid is start the engine and let it run for a little bit. That's going to make sure that the fluid cycles. You're going to pull your dipstick out. You're going to wipe it clean and then reinsert it to make sure that you're getting the correct fluid level. Now, what you'll notice is that there's two markers. One says cold, one says hot. There's cross hatches, which means depending on how long your vehicle has been running, you will find the fluid either in the cold or hot. Now, if you've just started it and it's in the cold area, that's good. If you've been driving for a bit and it's in the hot cross hatches, that's where you want to see it. If you do need to top up the fluid, make sure you're using the correct fluid for your vehicle. On some vehicles, you'll actually find the type written on the dipstick itself. Otherwise, always refer to your owner's manual. Checking your transmission fluid is an important part of
Nailed it.